What is a marketing channel? Okay, marketing channel is a system we use to provide our services to consumers. Okay, so marketing channel is a proper way to snatch your market, and this system run through three different processes. Number one, understand the need of consumer. So how to understand the need of consumer? Okay, first of all, you know what kind of product you want to distribute to your consumer. Then you definitely have to understand who are your consumer, what are their demand, and for that you can take your customers interviews, or you can focus on a definite groups where you want to boost up your sales. So you have to focus a group, and the number, and the another way is you can survey, like who like your products more, or who has more interest on your product. So you can make some quiz, or you can do a proper research through your social media. Number two, communicate your consumer. Okay, after understanding who your consumer are, you have to communicate with them, and you have to be activate with them, and they have to know all the latest update of you, and definitely you have to be communicating each other regularly. And for that you definitely have to use social media, and then you can run Google Ads, and then you can do email marketing. And these three are the giant way of marketing, the superpower. Okay, so if you are someone who is South Asian, then you know how so powerful social media is. Almost 95% e-commerce business run through social media in South Asia, and in case of Europe, Google Ad and email marketing is the most powerful. So, and this is the backbone of marketing. Okay, number three, distribute your service. Okay, you got it, who are your consumer and you are communicating with them, but now you have to distribute your service. Okay, to get your profit you have to serve them. So what kind of service you want to provide to your customer? Okay, if you running a offline business, suppose offline services like clothes or accessories, gadget, etc., then you have to go through a agent, which means you can do suppose direct business with them, like home delivery, pickup, etc., or you can sell products to retailer, reseller, and reseller will reach them. So this is the way, which means you have to hire an agent. But if you serve online services like books, ebooks, PDFs, and there are a few other online services like consultation, suppose idea sharing, etc., then you can, or offline course, educational courses, then you can create your website. Without website you can't imagine your providing services. And then another way is providing service with email. Okay, someone buy your service and he will get the PDF file through his email. So this is three different processes how a marketing channel can grow. Number one, know your consumer, who they are. Number two, communicate with them. Number three, distribute your service to them. Okay, now what is benefit of marketing channel? Okay, maybe you are thinking that many companies do what is just run ads through social media, YouTube. Yes, if they have huge money they can do that, But if you if you focus on giant companies like Amazon, Alibaba, they go through a proper way. They run a marketing channel, and these are the formulas they follow. Okay, and they have people who for their marketing channel who keep gaining new ideas, share ideas. So definitely you have to run through these three different process. It will save your time, save your money, and give your business a huge benefit. Okay, so benefit of a marketing channel are: bring the offering to market, help business reach its intended target audience, help the brand build relationships with customers, and promote and sell the product or service on behalf of the manufacturer. Okay, so these were all the information I wanted to share with you today about marketing channel. If you need any more idea about marketing channel, or if you want more information, please subscribe my channel and comment me. I will definitely create another video on this topic. Okay, till then, stay blessed. Tata, goodbye.